Okay, I guess that green mark down there means the cam is all the way to the top. And so I didn't put any, I just put some oil on the, around here, oiled the O-ring. I didn't put any grease in this, it's stuck in there pretty good. So I oiled the hole down there. Let's see if we can get it in there without falling out. Okay, it's down there with the two 10mm bolts in. Still pushed up off of the engine block because it's sitting on the plunger is sitting on the cam. The cam is all the way up, so there's a pretty good gap between here and the block. So if I lower that, turn the alternator, which turns the engine. It should start going down. It went down a little bit, maybe. Yeah, I'm pushing it back in. I'm not going to tighten those bolts until I get it all the way to sit flush. That seems to be about the loosest it gets right there. Looks there's a little bit of load on that plunger when the cam is all the way down, which makes sense. So I guess let's see if I can get this hose on. My new hose here, if I can slip it all the way down here or not. Couple clamps. Going that way. I can still go a little more this way.